Hello, kindergarten. So this week we are going to be doing something new for our word building activities. We have learned all of our short vowel sounds. We have learned A, E, I, O, and U, right? All of our vowels are in red. We know that A goes A, E goes E, I goes I, O goes aw, and U goes okay? We have learned all of those sounds. If you need a review, please go back and watch the old word building videos that I have posted for you. For this week, I'm going to be reading off 6 words in every single video. So you'll have 6 words each day that I would like you to either build if you are using this interactive whiteboard and letters, or whether you're handwriting, practicing on your handwriting, so writing them down using a pencil and paper. If you are using your own magnets or stickers, however you guys have been practicing word building, okay, you're going to keep doing that. And all I'm going to do is just read off 6 words, and then you're going to go ahead and try to build them or spell them. All right. And then of course I'll give you the correct spelling, but I'll give you guys some time to work here. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Also, I am not going to tell you what vowel to use. You need to listen for that vowel sound, that word family ending that we've been practicing the past few weeks, and build the word. Okay? If you need help, try stretching it out. Remember how in class we would use our hands and we'd pull the word apart? Okay, so I am not going to, give you the vowel sound. You need to practice on your own. Here we go. The first word I want you to build is sat. I'll say it again for you. Sat. And all I'm going to do is when I, build the answer, I'm just going to drag the letters down. I'm not going to stretch them out or do the individual sounds. We have had tons of practice with that. So I'll build the word. I'll tell you, this is the word sat. And then we're going to move right on to the next word. Okay. You've had tons of practice with this in the weeks before. Okay. So this, I just want to see, if you're able to build and spell the words. The next word is mat. I'll say it again for you. Mat. All right, you've had some time. So I'm going to go ahead and build it here so you can check your work. Okay, this is the word mat, so you should have spelled it this way. And we're going to move on to right into our next word here. The next word is cap. I'll say it again for you. Cap. All right, you've had some time, so I'm going to go ahead and build it on my screen. This is the word cap. Awesome job. Make sure you check your spelling with mine. All right, the next word, tap. I'll say it again for you. Tap. All right, you've had some time, so I'm going to build it. Here is your spelling for tap. Make sure you check it. The next word I want you to build is can. I'll say it again for you. Can. All right, you've had some time, so I'm going to go ahead and build it. Here's your spelling for can. Make sure you check it. And the last word I want you to build for today's video is pan. I'll say it again for you. Pan. Okay, you've had some time to build pan, so I'm going to go ahead and drag the letters down so you can check. This is the spelling for pan. And again, this is our last word for this video for today. All of the videos for this week are going to be set up just like this. I'm going to be reading off words, you're going to build them, and then I'll show you the correct spelling. We're just trying to get some practice here before we move on to our next unit in word building. All right, stay tuned. I'll have some more words for you tomorrow. Have a good one.